Hey everyone, 20 minutes before ISE 2025, it is about to go down. This is gonna be the place to be. Let's check it out. So one of the great things we're introducing this year at ISE for the first time is the hidden bass wall. We're demonstrating all of the creative ways that you can integrate bass into your design projects and let the design be the design, but still feel that impact right here. And here we have the Sonance Marine end cap, where we're highlighting a brand new partnership with Soulmates, where you can get your party going on board. It's a fantastic attachment where you can stick the James tower speakers directly into the deck. It's secure, it's safe, it's waterproof, and when you're done, you can pick it up, stow that speaker, and get on to your next port. And we have our new Extreme speakers, and paired with these new Extreme woofers, these things bang. We listened to them for the first time the other night. Oh, I cannot wait for you to hear them because ISE is going to get their mind blown. Have you guys seen our new outdoor tower speakers? James has done it again. Such a creative implementation of hiding speakers into the design of an area. We've taken these outdoor speakers and integrated them into the stanchion of this railing. Such a great representation of what the James brand can do and how it can elevate your space. Here we have our iPort wall, where you can hold, charge, and protect your iOS devices and upgrade your enterprise experience. We see the Connect Pro and Surface Mount for residential, and Connect Mount for commercial, with this fantastic pillar mount. Can't wait for the people here to see that. And then we have our Connect Pro and Surface Mount for marine applications. We have our Sonance Professional wall. This year we have amazing upgrades to our professional team, and they have done a knockout job. We have our in-ceiling, pendant, surface mount, and invisible speakers, and then they flow into the design gallery story where our professional and commercial partners can find creative ways to integrate sound into their space. It's gonna be a great year on the professional wall. All right, coming around the wall, I'm super excited to talk about the brand new UA2125 on the amp wall. We've heard the need from the market for a more power-dense amplification that lives at the source behind the TV. Here we have our Sonance Invisible Speaker. It is highlighted throughout the Sonance experience. There's nothing better as far as being able to tell the design to disappear story than the Sonance Invisible Speakers. And then we're moving straight into the James small aperture. The brand new SA68 takes the amazing market presence of the SA637 and ups that performance level. They sound amazing. Can't wait for everyone in the world to hear them. And then we're talking about the new Sonance SA466 for the first time with our international partners here at ISE. And again, can't wait for everyone to hear these things. They sound amazing. And if you remember earlier, I was talking about the new UA2125 amp and its power dense capabilities. This is a perfect application. Our new SPL powered soundbars feature the UA2125 right in the chassis. Amazing application of how you can, again, take the source of your TV and seamlessly deliver it to an amazing sound experience.
You can mount those into enclosures also behind screen, and you're able to use this as a tool.
Thank you. And if you're tired from all the excitement of ISE booth here at Sonance, you can recaffeinate. Thank you guys. Wish those guys could see it. And last but not least, we have our VX wall. This is the horsepower behind the Sonance story. Was VP, now VX. That evolution has continued into the extension of the SST models, the new LCR models, and the thin line, which are very, very important in our European and international markets. We're really, really excited to have them on the floor this year.